Well, days after taking a dig at Yogi Adityanath and his entire cabinet for taking a dip, the holy dip at the Mahakumbh, Akhilesh Yadav has also visited the Mahakumbh. And after taking a holy dip in Mahakumbh, the Samajwadi Party chief has hit out at the Yogi cabinet yet again. Akhilesh Yadav saying that Mahakumbh is not a sports event and Kumbh is a holy event. That's the statement that has come in from Akhilesh Yadav. He continues to criticize the Yogi government, saying arrangements could have been better because the Samajwadi Party government had organized a much better version of the Kumbh. Listen in.
कि बिना बुलाए और अपने आप सब लोग आते हैं, अपनी व्यक्तिगत आस्था है उनकी सबकी। आज हमें भी मौका मिला है। मैं आज महाकुंभ में स्नान कर करके जा रहा हूं। मैंने 11 डुबकी लगाई हैं। संकल्प यही है कि सौहार्द बना रहे, सद्भावना बनी रहे, सहनशीलता हो और जो भी स्नान हो सहनशीलता के साथ स्नान होना चाहिए। ये सरकार के लोगों को कोई स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट नहीं बनाना चाहिए। इसको समाजवादी सरकार में भी और पहले भी नेताजी को भी और हम लोगों को भी कुंभ के आयोजन को करने का मौका मिला था। जो उस समय कुंभ हुआ था, कम संसाधन में सरकारें अलग अलग थीं। अगर आयोजन 1300 करोड़ में अच्छा हो सकता है, 800 करोड़ में अच्छा हो सकता है, तो 10,000 करोड़ में, 7,000 करोड़ में कितना अच्छा हो सकता है। कम से कम बुजुर्गों के लिए कोई ऐसी व्यवस्था होती जो बुजुर्गों को ज्यादा पैदल नहीं चलना पड़ता। और फिर जैसे हम हैं वीआईपी या और हैं वीआईपी या और सम्मानित लोग जब आए, तो कम से कम व्यवस्था ऐसी होनी चाहिए, पूरे कुंभ को पता लगे कि हाँ, आज कोई वीआईपी है जिसकी वजह से ये व्यवस्थाएं बहुत अच्छी चल रही हैं।
My colleague Akanksha is joining us live from Prayagraj, and she has been a part of Kumbh and the politics that has been witnessed time and again with the Samajwadi Party, time and again deriding the arrangements that have been made for the Kumbh Mela. Akanksha, days after calling Yogi Adityanath and the cabinet chapri for taking a holy dip at the Mahakumbh and insulting the Kumbh time and again, Akhilesh Yadav taking a holy dip. Akanksha, if you can hear me, Akhilesh Yadav has taken a dip at the Mahakumbh, and after his dip at the Sangam, he has continued to criticize the Yogi government, saying that the government is treating it like a sports event.
Well, absolutely. Today is the 14th day of Mahakumbh Mela, and today Akhilesh Yadav, Samajwadi Party chief, has taken holy dip here, and he has said that the government, the UP government, should not make this into a sports event. He also went on to say that several, in fact, older people are coming to Mahakumbh Mela, and the facilities here and the management here is not that well. Remember, in the last 14 days, Samajwadi Party and the Congress Party, both in opposition here in Uttar Pradesh, they have been raising questions on management of Mahakumbh Mela, questioning the number of devotees who are coming to Mahakumbh Mela. Till now, 11 points, more than 11 crore people have come to Mahakumbh Mela for holy dip. They've also questioned the mismanagement, the number of people who have come. Last time when UP cabinet ministers and the UP chief minister were here for holy dip, they had called it a photo op. And now today, after taking the holy dip, Akhilesh Yadav has taken a jibe at the UP government. He has said that this should not be made into a sporting event, and he has also questioned the management of the Mahakumbh Mela, which he, along with his other party leaders, this is something that they've been claiming is out of place.
Okay, all right. So they have been claiming that the arrangements are not up to mark, and interestingly, Akhilesh Yadav continued to say that while he took a dip as well. But just, rewinding back to a few days when the Yogi cabinet had taken a dip, Akhilesh Yadav and the Samajwadi Party had taken a dig at Yogi Adityanath from calling the cabinet members chapri for being in the water, while also saying that people of Uttar Pradesh don't want holy dips, they want jobs. These were the kind of digs that were taken by the Samajwadi Party.